Hello people, and for this video, we'll be showing you how to redeem gift cards on Roblox Mobile. So as we can see, we are at the home page, and the first thing we have to do is go over and tap more at the bottom right. Once we're here, this is already at the bottom of the screen, but this is what it will look like, and just scroll down and you will see gift cards. Tap on gift cards, and you can see here on the gift cards page, you can shop for gift cards. But you can also, on the top right, redeem a card. Just tap on that and you'll be asked to log in to a Roblox browser. Just simply log in, and once you do, it will take us to the Redeem a Roblox code page. Simply type in the code. You can copy the code and paste it in. In my case, I will type in a code and then tick this box underneath and then tap on redeem. Now, I personally don't have a working code, but what you would see is the code is redeemed. Now, let me just go back to the app itself. Once your code has been redeemed, you just tap on the Robux icon on the top, on the middle, in between search and the notifications, and you can choose to spend your Robux on any of these packages. You can even tap below to add a star code, which is to support your Roblox stars. And you'll have a discount when you buy the Robux if you have a code. Now let's say I'm going to buy the lowest amount. It automatically selects my payment method, but you may be seeing something different on your screen. Now I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please leave a like, maybe subscribe, and ring the notification bell so you don't miss any of our new videos. Thank you for watching, and see you again next time.